Hello, I'm Dr. Matthew Alpert, and today we're going to show you how to adjust smart glasses with Alexa. I'm going to point out a few parts of the frame. We have the frame front, the temple, and the temple tips. Today we're focusing on the temple tips, the part of the frame that hugs behind the ear. Depending on how they feel on your face, you can adjust the temple tips with your hands. No tools required. You don't need to make major adjustments to find the correct fit for you. To bend the temple tips with one hand, make sure you are holding firmly on the metal ring area, and with the other hand, put your thumb below the curved portion of the temple tip. Make slight adjustments by putting light pressure on the wire and pushing either gently inward or downward. If the frames feel slightly heavy on your nose or face, try adjusting the temple tips slightly downward. If the frames feel slightly loose or slide down your nose, try adjusting the temple tips slightly inward. As you adjust your temple tips, check the fit of your frames with the charging stand. Place your smart glasses on the stand with the lenses facing up. A pulsing white light displays while the stand detects your smart glasses. When proper placement is detected, the blinking light goes to a solid color depending on the smart glasses battery status. If the charger blinks red, readjust the position of your smart glasses. You may need to make slight adjustments to the temple tips as needed to ensure a proper fit with the charger. If you need to make additional adjustments for a proper fit, we recommend going to an optometrist or an optician. They will be able to make the adjustments as needed. Inside your box, you'll find an optician card that you can share with your eye care provider. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your smart glasses with Alexa.